Ever wondered how time zones work on flat Earth? Here's how they make perfect sense on a flat Earth, and it's going to blow your mind. Time zones are something we use every single day, but have you ever stopped to think about how they actually work? The globe model claims the Earth is spinning at 1,000 miles per hour, yet somehow, every time, zone stays perfectly aligned. How does that even make sense when you're supposedly wobbling on a tilted ball zooming around the sun at 67,000 miles per hour? And here's another odd thing. If the sun is 93 million miles away and enormous, why do we see sunlight coming down in distinct rays, like beams from a flashlight? Shouldn't it light up everything equally? These are the kinds of questions that lead us to a different, simpler explanation. The flat Earth model offers a straightforward answer. The sun isn't a gigantic ball millions of miles away. Instead, it's small, local, and acts like a spotlight. Imagine holding a flashlight over a table. The light only covers a specific area, right? That's how the sun works on a flat Earth. It moves in a circular path above the surface, lighting up different areas as it travels. Each hour, the sun's movement represents one time zone. It's a natural system, not dependent on imaginary tilts or spins, and it explains why we see sunlight rays coming through clouds at angles. They're close and directional, just like a street light. Here's another way to think about it. A sundial. Sundials work because the sun's position creates a shadow that moves predictably throughout the day. If the sun were millions of miles away and stationary relative to the Earth, how would a sundial work so precisely? And what about the seasons? On a flat Earth, the sun's circular path changes over the year, creating the solstices and equinoxes. In summer, the sun's path is tighter, closer to the center, and gives us longer days. In winter, the path is wider and farther away, resulting in shorter days. It's like the difference between spinning a torch close to your hand versus farther away. Simple, right?